Hello, everybody. Just please let me know if you can hear me. Yeah, just let me know if you can hear me, please, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Hello, everybody. Just please let me know if you can hear me. But yeah, just let me know, guys. We're about to get started as always. So it's an interesting Friday for sure. But we've had plenty of interesting Fridays. And yeah, I'm just waiting for you guys to join so we can all analyze and see what's going on. We can start from Bitcoin, we can start from whatever you guys want. We can look at indices, we can look at whatever you guys prefer. Just please let me know if you can hear me, and then I'll be right in. Bitcoin is interesting, not gonna lie. So again, guys, please let me know if you can hear me. The meantime, I'm gonna just look at some indices. Let's see how the stock market is doing as well. Well, lots of red. That's interesting. It is moving as one of the accounts, which is the one you're looking at, is predicted. So when things move, when things move as you want them to move, I guess it's always nice. But yeah, guys, please let me know if you can hear me, because I still didn't have any answer. So yeah, please, if you want to do me a favor, just I'd appreciate that. That's for sure. But yeah, market's moving lower, which is nice. Let's see how the top 7, the Nasdaq, are doing. Well, they're not doing that well, I guess. Well, Nvidia, I would say, is in an interesting position. But apparently not interesting enough. So, we won further downside. Potentially, we could fill this gap and then look for support at that point. Oh, hi, Sam. Let me know if you can hear me, please. It's good to see you. Always good to see you. And then as well, you guys let me know what you want to look at. Oh, yes, the central end. Sure can. So, that's lots of red. But, I see red, but I'm not surprised. So, that's interesting. So with the central end, so with mono, this could be some kind of wave 1 and 2. Not going to lie. So if we zoom out, we did this analysis, it's going very well. There are some upsides and downside about this this count, actually. One thing is that if we measure wave 1 and we try to look at wave 3 of the same degree, we just reach the 1.618 at here, and we found resistance at the 1.618, which is something we don't want to, I mean, when we see it, that's a potential sign that we could have a wave 3 in place. However, is also due to say that this move from the top, it's a 3-wave move. I mean, I'd like to see someone else argue it's not a 3-wave move, but it's rather a 5-wave move. I cannot see 5 in there. I don't know about you, but I can't. And interesting is, let's go on to a 3-hour chart. So the issue with this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the only way this is a 5-wave move, let me check for wave 3. That cannot be the shortest, of course, and it's not the shortest. So the only way this is a 5-wave move is if that's 5 waves. Yep. If that's 5 waves, then we can have a 5-wave move. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. But I mean, to be honest, I'd give it more credit to this being A, B, and C. But don't get me wrong, it's possible that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, sorry, I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I doing? Okay. For wave 1. A, B. I would like to see further downside for wave 2. And then upside. So what you can look at is on the daily chart, you can keep an eye on this 200 EMA purple line and see if price gets down there, which would be roughly 50 to 6.8% retracement, which is something we would like to see in wave 2 position. Look if price finds support off of the 200 EMA. Any questions so far, guys? Anything else you want to look at? I'm happy to look at other stuff as well. But basically, that's my analysis for the central line. The only downside to this is if wave 3 is here, and now we're correcting. We're in a larger degree. For the time being, there's no reason to think so, because this trend is holding on. So still no reason to believe wave 3 is completed, as of yet, at least. So yeah, any question, guys? Anything else you want to look at? You're very welcome, Sam. Anything else? Or yeah, any other crypto, any other. You can look at indices if you guys want. We can look at stocks. I'm a big fan, of course, of indices and stocks, as well as cryptos. Not gonna lie, I like them all. What do you guys want to look at? yeah, I was seeing a quick look at Nvidia earlier. I'm looking for more downside. Apple, let's see. Yes, I can see more downside. Tesla, same thing, but on Tesla, that's something I would like to bring on and bring up to your attention. If we go on to VVS Discord, and you can find VVS Discord, I'll leave here in the chat. Public free Discord. If you guys want to join, it's as it says, it's free. So on Tesla, if we look at the Elliott Wave Ideas channel, which of course there's plenty of channels, here's the public channels, here's for VVS members only, and if you're interested in the membership, you can always either private message me on Discord, my name is Barrett, or you can just join through the link in the description of this video. But if you have any question, feel free to shoot. So as I was saying, speaking about Tesla, this is February 13th. Actually, February 10th, I said Tesla most likely going to break January 24th lows, as we may have a triangle in wave 4. So I was anticipating a triangle in wave 4 on, as you guys can see, I published this on February 10th. Oh, Jesus. What am I saying? So I was expecting further downside. We were here. I said, we're going down. Look at Tesla now. February 10th is right here. We dropped since February 10th almost 9%. I mean, if you think about this, only with this trade, you potentially could have made the membership fees back. But, I mean, your choice. Guys, do what you think is right. And, but, I mean, all I'm trying to do is to help. So if you have any questions, as I said, you can just message me. So, Tesla, yeah. So gonna go over Tesla as Sanyev is asking for, and then Kylo, we're going to Bitcoin after. So stay tuned. So Tesla, I see downside. Let me show you a daily chart. So basically, guys, long story short, on the stock market, as of right now, I do not. So there's two type of. I guess there's three type of people, of traders in this world. So there's a kind of trader that, cares about fundamentals, cares about if a company is good, all that kind of things. There's a trader who just looks at the math. It doesn't look at a price chart. It just looks at statistics, numbers. It analyzes numbers, and it acts based on those data. And then there's me. I just look at price action. And but I do look at price action, but I try to contextualize, trying to understand where we are at in the world in a political and financial as well perspective. So we know that inflation is very high. We know interest rates are rising. We also know there are some issues with Russia and Ukraine. But what we do know is, what I for sure know is that, for instance, if I look at the Nasdaq, I cannot see any bullish structure yet. I just can't. All signs are to the downside. What does it mean? It means that there's plenty of downside. I mean, we will find, because we are going down. I predicted that as well, of course, in the Discord for members. We are going down. This area is the next support. If that fails, this area is the next support. If that fails, we're going back to the COVID lows. And trust me, guys, I have a count which is suggesting we are into correction, which will take us at least to the COVID lows. Now, with that being said, so you get the kind of sentiment that I have towards the stock market, and that's just purely based on Elliott Wave. Tesla should go lower. Hope you get my point. Hope you guys get why I said all of this. So, with that being said, Sanjeev, sorry if I misspell your name. Let me know if you have any additional question on Tesla. In the meantime, as Kyle was asking for, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin. So, the last time we analyzed the possibility of having this wave 4 completed. Now, is it still possible? Yes. Does it look like, how much credibility do we give to the possibility that this coin is complete? Actually, not that much, because this from here looks like a 3-wave move. It's very close to invalidation, and I wouldn't count on 1, 2, 3, 4, and a potential 5. I wouldn't make that trade. What could happen is either we have A, B, C. So the triangle, basically, which is right here. So the triangle is still possible. It's still an option. So basically, at one point, we'll get a thrust to the upside, a bit more downside, and then we can resume to the upside. Or else, I don't know if we're left it. Or else we could get into an anti-diagonal. So this could have been wave 1 and 2, the diagonal. And now we're just going to have an overlapping structure. Find support, I would say, anywhere around 28 to 22,000. And then go back up. So, as of right now, to be honest, trading-wise, I'm not into any Bitcoin trade because I'm not sure. I don't have a clear view of what's happening. So when in doubt, basically I stay out. So that's a good point, Kylo. The time duration, that's a very good point. However, when things, let's assume, let's assume wave, what am I doing? Let's assume wave 4 is completed, right? Okay. When things, usually what I've learned, when things seems too good to be true, they are too good to be true. That's something I learned. And as I said, as of right now, Elliott Wave wise, there's no, at least to my eyes, there's no reason to be bullish. Is there any reason to believe the correction is completed? Yes, but it's not a strong enough reason to, I would say, enter this market. Hope it's clear what I'm saying. Let me know if you have any additional question. One thing that also, as you said a very correct thing. Time duration is important in Elliott Wave terms. But if we look at, if you use the channeling technique, 1, 3, 2, and 4, we still could have downside to go. This channel has not been yet touched, which of course doesn't mean it has to be touched, but it's a possibility. Also, if you look at momentum, so if we look at the moving average on the previous move, you see how we are so far. The 100, this very bright, I wouldn't even know what color that is. It's blue, some kind of blue, light blue, and bright, obviously. So the 100 EMA is acting as support. But I mean, if we look at the weekly chart, we are finding resistance on the 50. So it's, on the other side though, if we look at the MACD, it's starting to get interesting. We are potentially starting to get upside. This is a interesting bull sign for the future. Not gonna lie. But still, that doesn't mean anything. So I'll be careful. Of course, you guys take your decisions. I would just be careful. I wouldn't want to be the one who 2 months from now said, I told you so. Because, do I like to be right? Yes. But of course, I don't like if anyone loses money. Because there's, I could be the one losing money. So I wouldn't like that. It happens. It's part of the job. But you guys know what I'm saying. Hopefully. Not going to get in trouble. So yeah, any question, guys? Anything else you want to look at? Just let me know if you have. I'm just gonna shut up because, as you know, the stream is a bit delayed. So just let me know. All right. So I guess it's gonna be up to me. If anything pops up, guys, to your mind, please ask. Interesting. Now, what's this? Neo is in the green. This has been quite the sell-off, hasn't it? 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting, but not interesting enough. So yeah, I'm very interested in, this stock market, it just doesn't seem right. It doesn't, that cannot be bullish. Once again, the Nasdaq is leading the way to the downside. So tech leading the way. What else can I say? Yeah, it's not bullish at all. Whether you like it or not, it's just, that's not a bull market. We'll see. Hopefully this market will prove me wrong, but I wouldn't put my money on it. Orange list is some stocks that I'm particularly looking after, which interesting. But yeah, guys, in the meantime, if any of you just joined us, please let me know if you want to look at anything, any crypto, stock, index. I'm happy to look at what you guys want to. I also closely follow stocks within the ETF arc, which I think is actually interesting. Yes. At least that's, I mean, it looks interesting to me, let's put it that way. PayPal is a stock that has been going to the downside for quite a while, and it has lost, I guess, from all-time high, almost 70%. That's a lot. That is quite a lot. I had a position on Palantir stock here, which is hidden. It's this one. I'm closing it right now. I didn't place a stop. I don't like to place, take profits. So I'm just gonna close it right now. And done. But yeah, it's can you analyze slip coin? Okay, let me look at that coin. But yeah, this was a trade that actually called in the members Discord. Where was it? That's February 16th. I sent it out. Basically, I said looking for more downside. Same thing on PLTR to your symbol. So that was before, and this is after. You guys think what you want to think. You just had the proof that I called it, and it's not the first one, and hopefully it's not gonna be the last one as well. Anyways, so someone asked for SLP. Which exchange should I look at? Is this one fine? Well, the thing is, this is not something we would like to see. So, I mean, this looks more like a gamble to me. I mean, at least Elliott Wave wise. I'm just purely talking Elliott Wave wise. Elliott Wave wise, all I would say is close your computer and get away from this coin. That's what I can say Elliott Wave wise. I would say that if you want to force 5 waves, you would do by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. Something like this. Maybe. Yes. You will need to investigate further. Yeah, one more low. Potentially this happens. Save my words. You should and could find support here and then turn higher. Equality is here, so look for equality. And we also have the 50%. Yes, you could find support there, around there. That's something that could happen. Let me know if you have any question about it. Yeah, I guess, yeah, just let me know. Always happy to help. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks for asking. Yeah. Anything else you guys want to look at? Let's see what could actually. Here we're looking at more. So basically, with this count on the Nasdaq, this is a very aggressive count to the downside, and it's. These would all be 1, 2. So this is what we call a nest. The thing is, if this count is correct, if this count proves to be correct, you guys have no idea how much acceleration to the downside we will see next week. So, but my thinking is, if this count proves to be correct, which probability is not that high. Actually, I found out this count last week, I guess. So we were around here. So I said, so yeah, almost 2 weeks ago. I said, what if we get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, which is called a nest, as I was saying. So it's possible. It is possible. But the thing is, this count would imply an acceleration to the downside, which I guess the right term would be catastrophic. It would be catastrophic. It would have to move really fast to the downside. And the only environment I can see that happening is if something happens with Russia. Because I don't know. I don't think interest rates could do that effect. I don't know. I cannot. Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball. I cannot predict the future. But this count, yes. Is it possible? Yes. Is it going to happen? I do not know. What could happen is, alternatively, and let me. I can't do that. Oh, crap. So, alternatively, this is A, B. Could we get an anti-diagonal into wave C of some degree for a larger wave 1 and 2? Possible. It is possible. So this would be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we do get an overlapping structure in the following weeks and months, then that's a possibility. If we do fall, just like a falling knife, then I don't think so. Hope that's clear. As always, feel free to ask any questions. The other indices are on the same page, I would say. The thing. Let's take the Dow, for instance. On the Dow, you could argue this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The thing is, if you go on the lower time frames of 45 minutes, I challenge you to count remove from the January 24th lows up till here as a 5-wave move. This looks like, I could be blind, but I see up, down, up. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I see. Perhaps you want to let me know if, I don't know, just let me know. So, any question? I guess before we wrap this up, if you guys have any question. Could you see Bitcoin? I can see Bitcoin also going lower. I can see Bitcoin going to anywhere between 28 to 22 before a potential resumption. But would I short it right now? No. Would I buy it? Neither. But yeah, can it go there? Yes, it can. But yeah, let me know if you have any other specific question so that I can help you better. Can I hide this? Yeah, just you guys just let me know. I'm here to help. Look at these. Wow. I was off. Well, not completely. I was looking at Roku losing 25%, 26%. Damn. This is a hell of a drop. I was looking at Moderna as well. Yep. Looking for that downside. But yeah, growth stocks, they're not feeling it. Any other question, guys, before we wrap up? Please let me know if you have any. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna call it a day, guys. Thank you all for joining. Very much appreciate it. Please do like if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Feel free to check out VVS through the public Discord, as it's public, so it's free. And any question, you can private message me. So all I can say is have a great weekend, guys. And I will see you next time, I guess. Thank you.